Fine. Good afternoon to you. Good morning to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So welcome to our today's online class students. Students, please study daily portion, okay? So we have completed till chapter 8. So study daily portion, okay? So students, all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. So please all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. So today we are going to mark the question answers for chapter 8. So please all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand, okay? So and also take pencil or pen in your hand. So please take pen or pencils in your hand. So have you all taken? So have you all taken? Yes. So in this chapter also most of the questions you need to write. 3 mark question, 4 mark question. You should write, either you should write in a paper and paste it near to the question page, or you can write in your computer notebook, okay? So please take a paper or computer notebook in your hand, okay? So take fast. So take fast. So I will taken. So all of it take page number 113 in your textbooks, okay? So all of it take page number 113, 113 in your textbook. First we can mark the one word questions, okay? So listen carefully. So first question answer, a loop invariant need not be true. Option D at the start of the algorithm. Answer is option D at the start of the algorithm. Okay, first question answer option D at the start of the algorithm. Second question answer option C. Second question answer option C, B comma W tends to B plus 1 comma W plus 1. Second question answer is option C. C, B comma W, B plus 1, W plus 1. Option C. Then third question answer option B, M equal to 7, N equal to minus 8. Third question answer option B. Third question answer option B, M equal to 7, N equal to minus 8. Fourth question answer option C, 3 into M minus 2 into N. Fourth question answer option C, 3 into M minus 2 into N. Then fifth question answer option D, 9. Fifth question answer option D, 9. Sixth question answer option B, 10. Okay. Sixth question answer option B, 10. Once more I am repeating the answers for one more question. Please listen carefully. So first question answer option D at the start of the algorithm. Second question answer option C, B comma W tends to B plus 1, W plus 1. Third question answer option B, M equal to 7, N equal to minus 8. Fourth question answer option C, 3 into M minus 2 into N. Fifth question answer option D, 9. Then sixth question answer option B, 10. Have you all marked? So now mark the 2 mark question, okay? First you can write the page number for 2 mark questions, write it. So 2 or 3 questions only you need to mark. Remaining questions you should write, okay? So first question, write page number, first question you need to write, okay? What is an invariant? You should write. Then second question, page number 102. Second question, page number 102, 102. Second question, page number 102, 102. Third question, page number 104, 104. So here, first point you should write. Second point onwards, you can mark from page number 104. First point, write here. So I am dictating. Please listen carefully and write. First point, know the loop condition. Know the loop condition. Write fast. Know the loop condition does not affect the loop invariant. Does not affect the loop invariant. Know the loop condition. No, the loop condition does not affect the loop invariant. So we will written, no, the loop condition does not affect the loop invariant. First point, okay? No, the loop condition does not affect the loop invariant. Second point, you can mark in page number 104. page number 104, 104. Fourth question also you need to write. Then, fifth question, page number 102. Fifth question, page number 102, 102. Okay, so fifth question, page number 102. Fifth question, page number 102, 102. Then, sixth question also you should write. Sixth question also you should write. Only 3 questions only you are going to mark. So, remaining all the questions you need to write in your notebook. Okay. First question you should write. Second question page number 102. Third question first point you can write. Second point page number 104. Then fourth question you should write in a note. Then fifth question page number 102. Sixth question also you should write. Remaining all 3 mark and 4 mark questions you should write. Only the third 5 mark question you can mark. Okay. Third 5 mark question, take page, write page number 111. Third 5 mark question, page number 111. 1111. Have you all written? So now we can mark that 3 questions. First we can mark. Okay. So first mark that 2 mark question. For second 2 mark question, take page number 102. Take page number 102. Second 2 mark question. Page number 102. Have you all seen under the heading iteration? Starting from here. In iteration, the loop body from here to till invariant is called loop invariant. Very important question. Okay. Starting from here. Second question. So, in iteration, the loop body is repeatedly from here to till the loop invariant. Okay. Have you all marked? Starting from page number 102. Starting from in iteration, the loop body is from here to till this loop invariant. This unchanging property is called loop invariant till here. Okay, loop invariant. Then, third question, have you all marked? Page number 104. Third question, page number 104. Page number 104. So here, a loop invariant from here, a loop invariant, cut this then no need. A loop invariant is true for 4 points from here to. A loop invariant from here to till this 4 point. Very, very important question this one. This is a third 2 mark question starting from a loop invariant. Okay, this a loop invariant. From here to a loop invariant. From here to till here. So, end of the loop. Okay. So, this is the third 2 mark question. Then, fourth question you need to write. Fifth question, take page number 102. Fifth question. Fifth question, page number 102. So, under the heading recursion. From here, recursion. Fifth 2 mark question. Okay. So, fifth 2 mark question, recursion. Starting from here, recursion is another algorithm design technique. From here to till next page to the partial input. This is the fifth 2 mark question. Okay. Starting from here, recursion is an algorithm. From here to till here, partial input. Okay. So, only this much of question you need to mark. Remaining all the questions you need to write in your computer notebook. Okay. And also one detailed question. That also you can mark. Page number 111. 111. That's the third detailed question. Okay. Third detailed question. Page number 111. 111. So, starting from here. Example 8.13. So, starting from here to here all the diagrams you need to draw. Okay. Starting from here. This is the question. Starting from here to third detailed question. Page number 111. Starting from here. From here to till next page till this. Okay. Corner covered board. Till this corner covered board. 2 power 3 into 2 power 3. Till page number 112. Starting from page number 111. Example 8.13. From here to till page number 112 into 2 power 3 into 2.3 corner covered board. Have you all marked? So, this is the third detailed question. Important question. Okay. Yes. Now you can take your computer notebook. Write it. This is the first one 2 mark question. Write it. What is an invariant? Write fast. Write fast. First 2 mark question. What is an invariant? Very, very important question. Invariant. Write fast. Write fast. Completed. First 2 mark question. What is an invariant? Completed. Type fast. An expression involving variables which remains unchanged by an assignment to one of these variables is called invariant. Then the assignment has not been changed before and after the assignment with the invariant expression. I fast. Completed. Then second question and third question you have marked. Then fourth question, write it. First point you might have write. No, not this one, this question. This question fully you need to write. Okay, fourth question answer, write fast. This is the fourth question answer. A loop invariant is a condition inside the bracket among variables that is necessarily true immediately before and immediately after, each iteration of a loop. Write fast. Write fast. Fourth 2 mark question. Write fast. Fourth 2 mark question. Completed. Completed. A loop invariant is a condition that is necessarily true immediately before and immediately after each iteration of a loop. Then a loop invariant is some condition that calls for every iteration of the loop. Completed? Completed? Then sixth question. Sixth question answer. From here you write. This is sixth question answer. This is important question, okay? Factorial of a given number recursively, very, very important question this one. Write fast. Write fast this question. Write fast, write fast. One, if n equal to 0, n into factorial n minus 1, otherwise recursive algorithm. This is the name of the algorithm, factorial of n. Then inputs variable n, output factorial, fact equal to n factorial. Then condition, if n equal to 0 means base case 1. Then else, n into factorial n minus 1 recursive step. Very, very important question, okay? Completed? Write fast. Completed? Okay, then 3 more question. This is the first 3 more question. Question no need to write, okay? Put the question number and write the answers. The first 3 more question, answer from here, right? Three more question, first question. Three more question, first question, write fast. Write fast. 3 more question. First question answer. U represent number of tumblers right side up. V number of tumblers upside down. Initial stage U equal to 0, V equal to 7. That means all tumblers upside down. Final stage U equal to 7, V equal to 0. All tumblers right side up. Completed? Then write. This is also the answer for the same question only. Write it. Write fast. First question answer. Continuation of this only, okay? Continually write. Write fast. First condition is turning both upside down tumblers to right side up. So first is two of them U plus V, then V minus 2U is even, then minus. Write fast. Write fast. First point completed. Turning both upside down tumblers to the right side up. U plus V. Sorry, U equal to U plus 2. V equal to V minus 2. U is even. First point completed. Then second point, right? Write fast. Write fast. Write fast. Write fast. Completed. Second point. Turning both right side up, tumblers to upside down, u equal to u minus 2, v equal to v plus 2. Second point. Completed. Write fast. Write fast. Completed. Completed 3 points. Write fast. Write fast. Write fast. So remaining 3 more questions you should write. So write fast. Completed third point. Turning on right side up tumblers to upside down and other tumbler from upside down to right up. Third point. Then write remaining things. Completed. Initially u equal to 0 and continuously to be even in all 3 cases. Therefore u is always even. So invariant u is even. So inside the bracket no need to write. Okay. Completed. Yes, okay. Then write the second question answer. Completed all of you? So I will complete this question. Then this is the answer for second 3-mark question. Okay. A knockout tournament is a series of game. So this is answer for second 2-mark question. Sorry, second 3-mark question. Write fast. Write fast. This table also you should draw. Second 3-mark question. Write fast. So now no need to draw with the scale. With the free hands you draw. But for exam you should draw using pencil and scale. Okay. Write fast. N be the number of games played and R be the... Right. Let N be the number of games. Then. And R be the number of players remaining in the tournament. N be the number of games played and R be the number of players remaining in the tournament. Then after every game, R will be reduced by 1. Write fast. Write fast. So after every game, R will be reduced by 1. R number of players remaining, N number of games played. Write fast. Write fast. So 2 more questions you should write. So write fast. So after every game, R will be reduced by 1. R number of players, N number of games played. Then if R equal to 2, write fast. Completed? As n increases or decreases, n comma r equal to n plus 1 comma r minus 1, n plus r equal to n plus 1 plus r minus 1. Write fast. Write fast. Write fast. Completed. Therefore, n plus r is an invariant. N plus r equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is number of plays initially. Then the winner of the tournament is the player that is left after all the players have been knocked out. Then after all games over, only one player is left out. That is n equal to 1. Write fast. Write fast. That is n equal to 1. Put n equal to 1 in. Substitute in the equation 1. So n plus r equal to 1, 2. So substitute here. N plus r equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. The value of 1 is n. Sorry, n is 1. 1 plus r. So subtract here. 101. 1234 minus 1 is 1233. So answer you will get is 1233. Completed? Yes, then third 3 mark question. Completed this one? Third question. So this is the third question answer, okay? From here, right? Third question answer, write fast. So third question answer, write fast. First, number of heads of dragon equal to 1000. Then sword 1 cuts 19 heads, but 13 heads grow back. Sword 1 cuts 19 heads, but 13 heads grow back. In question they have given. Then sword 2 cuts 7 heads, but 22 heads grow back. Sword 2 cuts 7 heads, but 22 heads grow back. Then let n be the number of heads of the dragon at initial state. Let n be the number of heads of the dragon at initial state. Let n be the number of heads of the dragon at initial state. Then case 1, king uses sword 1. Case 1, king uses sword 1. So sword 1 cuts 19 hertz. So from the total you should minus 19, n minus 19. So again how many hertz is grow back? 13. So plus 13, minus 19 plus 13, answer you will get 6. So n minus 6. So number of heads are reduced by 6. Okay. Then case 2. Case 2. Write fast. 3 more minutes is there. So write fast. Second one, king uses sword 2. So using sword 2, so how many heads you are cutting? Sword 2 cuts 7 heads. 7 heads, but 22 heads grow back. So he was cutting 7 heads. So n minus 7, again 22 heads are grown back. So 7 plus minus 7 plus 22, answer you are getting plus 15. So how many heads is increased here? Increased by 5, n plus 15. But case 1 reduced by 6, but here increased by 15. Okay. Write first. Write fast. Then note, you write in the above two cases, either 6 heads are removed or 15 heads are added. Both 6 and 15 are multiples of 3, isn't it? Therefore, repeating case 1 and 2 recursively. Write fast. Recursively will either reduce or increase dragon heads in multiple of 3. That is a invariant in n mod 3. Okay. Write fast. So okay, then detailed question tomorrow we can write. So 2 more detailed questions you need to write. Okay. So after completion of this session, you should study all 1 mark question, 2 mark question as well as 3 mark question. Okay. So don't study book back questions itself. So book inside also lot of programs are there, lot of problems are there. All the problems you should thorough. Okay, mostly they will ask the problem that is power computing a power and that and all very important questions. So inside the book also they will ask. Okay. So okay, today you need to study 1 mark, 2 mark as well as 3 mark. This is a homework for you students. Thank you. Remain we can continue in the next class. Thank you. Thank you students.